Did you know your browser's passwords might not be as secure as you think? No, seriously, with just a few clicks, anyone can expose them in plain text, no hacking skills required. But don't panic just yet, I've got you covered. In today's video, we're going to dive into how this works, why it's a risk, and most importantly, how we can protect yourself like a cybersecurity professional. Welcome to BertSec, where we break down tech, tackle cybersecurity, and maybe win a few CTF competitions along the way. Let's jump in. Most of us rely on our browsers to save passwords. It's convenient and quick, right? When you log into a website such as facebook.com, your browser offers to save your username and password for next time. Isn't that so nice though? When these passwords are stored, they're stored securely and protected by encryption. But here's the catch, they're still accessible. For example, if you navigate to a login page, browsers obscure the password with stars or dots. This is designed to keep prying eyes away from sensitive information, but what if you wanted to see that password? This is where things get tricky. Using browser developer tools, something that's built into every modern browser, it is possible to expose hidden passwords. Here's how. First, right-click on the password field and select Inspect. This opens the Developer Tools panel where you can see the underlying code for the website. Locate the Input Type field, which says Password, and change it to text. Boom, the password becomes visible. While this may seem convenient in the pinch, it also highlights this significant vulnerability. If someone else has access to your computer, even for a moment, they could retrieve your passwords this way. Browser password managers even prompt you to enter in your system password to view your saved passwords in the settings, but this bypasses this layer of security entirely. So you gotta make sure you're locking your computer if you step away from it, and better yet, try to use a password manager. This is why relying on your browser's built-in password manager is not enough. A dedicated password manager like Bitwarden or others like Dashlane or LastPass offer several layers of encryption beyond what browsers provide. These tools store your passwords in an encrypted vault, protected by a master password only that you know. They also generate strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts and sync across all of your devices. Plus, they often come with additional features like multi-factor authentication and breach monitoring. Getting started with a password manager is simple. Let me walk you through it. We're going to be using Bitwarden in this example. First, we need to create an account and set a strong master password. Remember, this is the only password that you're going to need to be memorizing from now on. Next, start importing your saved browser passwords. Most password managers have tools to make this seamless. Once imported, you can organize your passwords into folders and start autofilling them directly in your browser or apps. It's secure, convenient, and gives you a peace of mind knowing your data is protected. And there you have it, why you should think twice about storing passwords in your browser and how a password manager can be your best ally in staying secure online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and everybody have a blessed day.